Hi! So you might be wondering, who am I? I am Drumman, and this is my first video. Alright, so,
where is
I should grab my
everybody?
camera. I have speed boost on, so I'm very fast. I don't think I heard somebody talk with the Sigma. Whoa! I don't know what is going on over there, but yeah, I've never played this game before. But dude, I played this earlier today. This is traumatizing.
Orange! Orange!
So beautiful.
Orange, if
Look
you
at
don't answer my
Sigma, just like that kid was saying. I have everybody.
Guys, can somebody teach me how to do the speed glitch? How do y'all do the speed glitch? How do y'all do the speed glitch?
Oh my god.
How do you do that?
Everybody.
Speed
You
glitch.
can really just.
It said that I muted
Hold on, what
everybody with
speed
the Sigma.
Come in.
How do you do it?
And
How
then
do you
go down
do
the
it?
slide.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna
Hold on.
keep those guys unmuted. I mean, muted. Those two guys unmuted, because.
This is really
I
a
can't
Sigma
mute 'em.
slide.
But, like. Captain. Alright, chat. Welcome to my house tour.
Help! Normal.
Alright, so. Welcome to my house. This is my house tour. As you can see, it's pretty fire.
Help, I'm stuck.
It's like a pretty fire house, guys. Like and comment if this house is fire, chat, and subscribe. I'm poor. I need money. Monetize me, monetize
Dude,
me.
how do you.
I do have to edit
Black,
this
you wanna go to the back rooms?
It's good to have
Sigma slide, everybody. Sigma slide.
Dude, whoa.
Sigma slide.
It's a Sigma slide.
Yo, hurry up. Don't go to that moon, I swear.
Yes,
I swear if you go to that moon. From over here.
Whoa.
Bro,
Whoa.
bro.
No!
Oh my god, bro.
You guys are gonna come with me. Just-
Bro, look at this. I'm about to wall run outside the map.
Oh. I wonder how fast I can run at the camera. Dude, that's cool.
I dare you.
Big game,
I mean,
build
like-
camera.
Jesus. Sigma slide.
I'm gonna jump in.
How do you do that?
Dude, what?
What the heck? What the heck?
I don't know where I am right now, but like chat.
Dude.
Look at that.
Wee!
I don't want to know what that kid.
Wee!
What's up, you?
I'm so happy! It
Yo.
brings back memory.
There's
Wee!
some-
I'm frogging. Hey, look at the
here.
water. Hey, what the? Monkey got cancer? Hey, look at the water.
Well,
Hey, look at the water.
that's fine.
Hey, look at the water.
Just like, okay, if that kid says look at the water one more time, I'm gonna freak out. What's ice?
Dude, that's crazy. I'm going on Sigma slide.
What is?
Yeah.
Oh goodness. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
Yo,
hail the king. Oh, hail
Where
the
am
king. You're not a real monker if you can't do this. Yeah, I can see that, bro.
Dude.
Yo, who wants to know how to get the frog
Oh, yeah, by the way,
unlockable?
there's
Who wants to know how to
something
get the
else
frog
personal.
unlockable? The frog's easy to get.
Dude, I swear I muted everybody. I don't have
You
everybody
look like
muted,
a
though.
frog.
Hey, not kind.
Hey, wait. Stop. Yo, I can go in there. I'm about to come get you, bro. Oh my god.
That's pretty nice.
Yo, how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you do that? Oh, hold on, move. Okay. bro. Move. Yo.
Hi.
Yo.
Hi.
Dude.
Oh.
Caterpillar. Yo. For real though. For real.
How did he go down there?
That's
What
what it'd be
the?
like. Here, Black.
How, what the?
Bro, look at mine.
Why have I never done this earlier? Whoa,
Okay, so
whoa, monkey.
Queso mad hungry. Queso mad hungry. Queso mad hungry.
I'm not queso. What? Editor.
Queso's mad
look at
hungry.
that.
Queso's mad
I'm the
hungry.
editor to my videos. Can I climb up this? Oh. Girl attack can never. I mean, I guess you can climb up the girl's side.
The queso mad.
Stop,
Queso mad hungry.
stop following me, monkey.
He goes bigger than dinosaurs.
Listen, mister. I don't want no trouble. Listen, I'm okay. I'm grabbing my camera. I'm gonna vlog.
Wee.
You're on camera. You're vlogging. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. This is fire.
This game anymore.
No.
This is the only free fan game. This is
What's
the
the
only
race?
fan
What's
game
the
you're
race?
free to
I'm
do whatever.
the best racer in the game. No,
No,
no
you're
one's
not.
getting banned. No one's getting banned. No one's getting banned. Trust me. Trust me, no one's getting banned. Come here.
Dude. I
Come
should
here,
hit the
come here,
press
bro.
button.
Blue,
Trust
come here. I bet I'm faster than speed, guys.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Now shut
okay,
up.
okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, there we go. I beat you, buddy. You're done.
Queso.
You're
That's
done.
impossible.
You're done.
That's not possible.
Yeah, that's right, buddy. You're done, young rings. Like, yeah. That goated.
That guy's just annoying.
When Queso gets skinny, everybody will be dead.
Yeah, bro.
Why is that kid
What am I
making fun of
using?
Queso? What did he
No,
do?
this is just a cosmetic.
Eh?
No, that's a cosmetic. It's. Come here, I can take it on and
Okay,
off.
why is this dude?
Look,
I'm
I can
running.
take it on and off.
I'm running. Oh my goodness.
It's an Easter.
Yeah, I don't know if my game is my.
Bro, it's an Easter limited. It's an Easter limited. I have this too, but it does nothing. Yeah, look at my face. Look at my face.
That's a perfect thumbnail. I should probably get to saving everything and editing it now. So, bye bye.